Hello. Hi guys, my name is Michael. In this video I want to show you how you can download WhatsApp on your PC in less than 10 minutes. So first you go up to Google, you type it in WhatsApp, then I'm going to put a link to this in my description so that you can just click on it and download it. So let's go ahead, click on it. So right here we have WhatsApp for phone, Android, iPhone, and this is for PC. So all you have to do is just click on it. So it has started downloading and it's only 128 MB. So let's fast forward this. Okay, now it's done downloading. We're going to open it up. Click open. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So we wait for it to open up. Okay, now it's running. So we can see this have appeared now. Okay, so that is done. So we look down here, we see WhatsApp has opened up. So we click on it. So this is it. This is how it looks on the system after so this is how it looks on the system after you have installed it. So right now we're going to my phone where we're going to do the remaining parts, then we'll come back to the system again. Okay, now we're going to WhatsApp, so we click on WhatsApp. So this is just a WhatsApp lock with fingerprint. So I'm going to open it now. Okay, now the WhatsApp is opened. We're going to the right on top beside the magnifying glass. We see the three dots. We click on the three dots. Then we click on settings. Then you see on the right we have this little design right here that's like a barcode. We click on it. Now this is how you're going to scan the code on this system. So we move over to scan code. Okay, now I'm going to point my phone camera towards the screen so I can scan the barcode. Once I'm done scanning, it will automatically open on my system and I'll be able to see my message. Click continue, then link. Okay, this is because I have my fingerprint on, so it's asking, wants to know if you're in the one. So that's it, it's scanned. Okay, that's all we're meant to do on the phone. Now we're going back to the system to continue the process. So that's how scanning is done. Well, after you're done with the scanning, you probably don't need to do it the next time you want to log into your WhatsApp from your system. You just click on it and open it, and it automatically opens up and you can read your messages from your laptop. But if you just request for it again, you just repeat the same process again. Go to your settings at the right hand side, you see the barcode sign, and you just click on it and move on to scan code and scan it, and that's all. So this is it, where I can see our messages right here showing. And let's see, you can also view the WhatsApp status from here, right here. See this red, see status. So we click on it. So we can view all our WhatsApp status from here. Let me close this. So that's how you can download WhatsApp on your PC in less than 15 minutes. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Bye.